Hi everyone, welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to share with you how to make Christmas sushi cake. If you remember, I made one for Halloween and it turned out really cute, so I decided to make another one for Christmas. I like the smoked salmon and salmon roe combination. It's really delicious. I found small grape tomatoes just like strawberries. They look really cute. I hope you find this recipe helpful and I hope you can try it out.
Now first, let's make sushi rice. To make white sushi rice, mix in the sushi vinegar as directed on its package. To make green sushi rice, I'm going to add sushi vinegar and 1 teaspoon of Aonori green laver. To make red rice, it's not sushi rice, I'm going to use 1 package of red Deco Furi rice seasoning. Now wet the cake pan or line with plastic wrap. Place the white sushi rice and press down flat with a rice paddle or a spoon. Make sure the first layer is white as a cream. Then place the red rice, white sushi rice, and green sushi rice one after another and flatten as well. Turn the cake pan upside down onto a plate to remove the rice. To make mashed potato, place potato flakes in a bowl. Add hot water and mix well. You can add sushi vinegar or butter or salt and pepper to taste. Put the mashed potato in a piping bag with a star tip. Pipe it out on the sushi cake. Garnish with grape tomatoes, smoked salmon roses, and sprinkle with salmon roe. I'm going to use Nori Art, but simple Christmas cake toppers are absolutely gorgeous. Be creative and decorate the sushi cake. And now it's done! Thanks for watching and happy holidays!
こうやってケーキのようにカットしていただきます。海苔の層と味のついたデコフリの層が意外と美味しいです。イクラを多めにトッピングするとほんとお醤油なくても美味しくいただけます。お迎えに行かなきゃいけないのでぜひ作ってみてください。Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any of my new videos. I will see you in the next video.